Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are working on how to load your logs into your wells. So these are our wells, which is K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6. So let me minimize these so that you can see them well. And as we did for our deviations, we will load the logs for K3, K4 and K5 because those are the logs that I'm having. So you right click on K3, you choose import on selection, you change your file type from initially when you load for your path you use this, so you change it from this to well log last. After that you choose your K3, then you open it. After opening, you have to choose specify. If only you want to use all the logs that are in the file, you just go straight to the point and click OK. But if you want to use some of the logs and leave the rest, you can come to specify. And for my work, I don't need all the logs, so I'll come here, I'll take these ones out, which is volume of shale, I'll take water saturation out, then I'll take porosity out because I have other logs to help me do my interpretation better than these logs. Again, there is one thing that I have to mention. We have the matched and the unmatched session. The matched session contains all the logs that the software was able to identify, and the unmatched are the logs that the software weren't able to identify. So over here you have to do a little bit extra work. So I'm using this gamma ray one to complement my gamma ray in here, but God being so good, it's already changed, so I don't need to do that changes. I have to, if it wasn't, I had to change it from here to gamma ray, but since it is done, I will have to load it. My resistivity is also changed, so I have to change it to resistivity, and I take out the rest because I don't need them. Then I press OK. I'm going to repeat the same process for the rest of the wells. So for K4, I do same import on selection. I choose my K4, open, I specify, I take this out because I don't need lithology. I take volume of shale, water saturation out. I think I have to also take porosity out. Then I load it for K4. After loading it for K4, I do same for K5 as it goes on. So you have to follow this while I'm doing so that you know how to load it for the wells. Sorry for the noise. So this is it. Fry out, then lithology out. This is because I don't need them for my work, but if you're doing something that you need them, you can load them. Okay, for all. So right now I've loaded all my logs into it, and when you open K3, you see the deviation, you see the logs. K4, you see the deviation, you see the logs, and K5, you see the deviation and you see the logs. Thank you for joining this video. In our next episode, we are going to talk about how to display your logs in the well section window and edit it. Bye.